Can AI really replace humans? AI can be technically right and still make the wrong decisions. Take Credit AI, for example. It may correctly reject risky customers, but also reject people who would have repaid. Because data alone misses context. That's where humans matter. We bring 4 things to the table. First, context. What's changing beyond the data? Second, intent. What's the bigger goal? Third, trade-offs. What risks are worth taking? Fourth, values. What should never be optimized? For example, AI says, cut customer support to reduce costs. Humans ask, will this damage customer trust later? AI predicts what is likely, whereas human judgment decides what is right. Read the full blog to understand why judgment matters more than accuracy.